Do you ever find that the kick and bass kind of lose its punchiness and definition on, say, a car sound system? If you answered yes, then you're in luck, because this week's 1 Minute Monday, I'm going to show you how to clean up that low end. Welcome to 1 Minute Mondays, where I give filmmaking, audio production, and music production tips every Monday. So if you're new to my channel, now's a great time to subscribe so you don't miss my next upload. Today's tip is about cleaning up the low end in a mix, so the bass and kick has more clarity and really punches through. So all that we're doing is applying a low cut, and also known as a high pass, to all of our instruments that are not bass instruments. I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see, I have this low cut going all the way up to 335 Hertz. If I just take it off, you'll see all this unnecessary information below that. So we want to cut all that out so our bass can really kick through. And then once you can start to audibly hear a difference where it starts to sound thinner and thinner, that's when you want to start to pull it back a bit until you find that sweet spot where you're not really taking away too much of the low end of the sample. Okay, this is what I mean. Check it out. So now it's affecting the original audio just a little too much, so you want to pull it back. And I really like where that's sitting now. So like I said, you'll want to apply this low cut in each instrument's EQ that is not the kick or the bass. So really you're taking out all that unnecessary information that most instruments or samples have in the lower end of the frequency spectrum. And it really is as simple as that. You're one step closer to a better sounding mix. So here's a snippet of a score that I just finished that has all the low cuts on it, and it is quite bass heavy. So this is a great tip for music producers, audio engineers, and filmmakers, and really any kind of audio processing. I really wish someone told me this when I first started music production. It really is a lifesaver, and it's super easy, and you can do it in any DAW. All right, and that's it for this 1 Minute Monday. Leave suggestions in the comments down below for future 1 Minute Mondays. Please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up because it's Monday. I hope you guys have a great week. I upload at least once a week, so subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Also check out Lossless TV. It's our cinematic short documentary channel. This is where I upload my films, which features all original music. I really love connecting with people on Instagram and seeing their work, so be sure to follow me at Freeman. Thanks again for watching.